If you're looking for a grill that you can pass it down to your grandchildren, Flatpack Fliker is the right one for you. Please stay tuned to find out why Flatpack Fliker is so special. Hello everyone, this is Eric from Overland by Eric. I'm back with another episode, this time about Flatpack Fliker. Flatpit being the company and the Fliker being the model number. This is the smaller size of Flatpit grill series, and I'm calling it as a nickname Flatpit the Brad Pitt, because just that's what it reminds me of. This grill, price-wise, you might say it's on a little bit higher end of the grills, but if you stay tuned, I'm gonna explain you why this grill is so special. It comes with so many accessories and so multifunctional that it justifies the price completely. And if anything, it's gonna be a value device to your Overland gears. Flatpack Fliker is constructed from 1/8 of an inch steel. It's laser cut beautifully. It's all cleaned, and there's pretty much no sharp edges around it. It's a very well thought design. The makers behind this, they want to make sure that a beginner or a very advanced grill master can use this effortlessly for any kind of usages. That's why I was very impressed from the quality of it, as well as it's very light. It's only 14 pounds, standing approximately 8 by 9 by 15 inches, which I'm going to assemble. You will see it pretty soon. That's very light, very compact, and at the same time it feeds 4 to 5 people in one service. One of the things I really like about this grill, it comes with a lot of accessories. Starting from strap, it comes with a very nice strap that you can hang up the grill and have all these flat packs together after it's cooled down. Obviously, it's included a nice hot glove that you can grab the grill and even charcoal sometimes. Comes with a catch can that is really useful. When you put it underneath, it would catch all kind of ashes or drips from the barbecue, and it doesn't let the fire spread from your campsite. It also comes with a very good quality grill grades. It's stainless steel and it's perforated. I really like the quality on this thing. These two bars, it has two functions. I'm gonna get into it soon. And of course, my favorite one also is the skewers. Here you can make all kind of kebabs. You can build a rack top of it, and yes, why not, a bunch of stickers, which I used one of them. The things I really like about this thing was you can use it with all these accessories. You can use this grill for a fire pit, or I'm gonna assemble as I go further. There is a video for assembly by manufacturer, and I'm not going to get into that one, but just by looking at it, there is a certain way of putting this together, and you should follow the manufacturer's recommendation in assembly. But one of the things I really noticed as I was doing it, as soon as you put it together, you just hold it in these corners and it's all back. Before I go further, this is what I really, in my previous video for the other grill, if you haven't seen it, please go back and see that episode about the other grill with it. Most of the grills, you cannot empty the hot ashes with your gloves into confined container. As much as we enjoy the barbecue, we should also be very responsible to dispose our hot charcoal. This grill is made to do that. It's kind of made not only hold together by gravity, it interlocks. Basically, I can put the charcoals here. After I finish the barbecue, I can empty it in a ditch that I made for this thing, or in a container that you designated for fire. So that's it. We're gonna just grab the fifth part, and here you have the main part of it, which works as a fire pit or your main grill over here. Ventilation in this grill is amazing. You have holes at the bottom sides. If you stay tuned, I'm gonna cook some special dishes with this one. You will see how it stands up. So if you use this as a fire pit, that's how it's gonna look like. Very beautiful. Or you can use this for putting your percolator, your kettle, or your pots and pans. I'm gonna cook rice on this one. That's how it holds up, and it's a really good idea to have the second function out of it. And let's say you want to do some burgers or any kind of steaks. Here's your grill grates. You can also use that with, I'm gonna show this to you very quick on this side. You can use these slots to put these racks up there, and here we go. You have your grill still there, or you can use this at the bottom. You can cook something else, and you can have some veggies or some buns to heat up at the top. The catch can, as I mentioned earlier, goes underneath it, and remember those bars, it could be installed right there, and there's two different levels for that. And you can have the catch can right there. It catches all the ashes or the grease or anything falls from there. If you're in an ocean or in the beach or somewhere that you don't care about that dropping, you can use this as a serving tray up there. This too is what I added to this collection. This is specifically for barbecue. For every kind of kebab, you have a different size of skewers. Original skewers are like this. I'm gonna show, it comes with the notches. You can put this, and 45 degree, you can cook it one side and the other side, and then turn it around and you're done. Usually without this, with all those barbecues and kebabs I did, you have to turn this so many times. You're gonna see how it's gonna work on this one. As far as the installation and showing, that's pretty much I can conclude here. The pros on this grill is so many. As I mentioned, it's multifunctional, very good quality of build. Even it's eye-pleasing when you have the fire here as a fire pit. You can see that reflection of the fire throughout this labeling and your logo. And as far as cons, it was really difficult for me to find anything. Only thing I would have a little bit consideration on is this carabiners are those are heavy-duty carabiners. They're a little bit too small for putting all these 5 pieces together, but it's still doable. Nothing to do with the function of the grill, it's just to do with the storage of the grill. And this thing has a pouch that you have to purchase separately, and all these pieces goes in different pockets to stop it from rattling while you're going down the road on a dusty and an unpaved road. So that's it. As a final thoughts, Flatpit Fliker is a fine American steel, American labor made, good quality product. To me, this could be a really good collectible. Just like my grandfather's watch, that's a 1948 Seiko, and to this date, it means a lot to me, and it shows a lot of quality. This is one of those grills that you should say, buy it right, buy it once, and it will last you more than probably that you can use it. Also, I want to mention, this is an independent review as usual I do. However, I contacted the manufacturer and I really asked them multiple times to give my viewers some sort of discount if you're interested to buy one. If you go at flatpit.com, you will see these grills there, and if you put in promotions code Luleh, which is going to be down there, Luleh 20, you will get some discount for purchasing this grill or any accessories there. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I do really need that to continue this kind of work. If you get any value out of this video, please take your time and hit the like button once, or hit the dislike button twice. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in how to make the Luleh kebab, which I'm going to show you soon, that's a different video. Please don't forget that in the comments mention that you really want to see that how to make kind of recipes and tricks. I know a lot of tricks about Luleh kebab, and I'm going to show you guys that you can make a Luleh kebab on a flat pit easily. That said, there's only one thing I want to add to this video. There's a t-shirt I just purchased. I don't know the YouTuber I just know him from the YouTube channels, just like you, and it says just put a thumb in it. This gentleman, he's from Kentucky Ballistics. He had an accident while making a video for us, and he's actually saved his life, and his father was there then the accident happened, and he stopped making videos for now. We're all trying to support each other, and please, if you can, just go watch his videos. That's the least you can do, and that's Kentucky Ballistics. Or you can purchase a t-shirt. It's a really good quality t-shirt, by the way, and you can help him. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.